nights like this. Go ahead, take my coat. Just don't get any ideas about the goods. Yeah, whatever. Let's get in and get out, Henry. You're tired, Henry. Just do your job and scram before these city types eat you up. There she is. Just like he said, I'd know her if I saw her. She's my kind of beautiful. Reminds me of Betsy. Reminds me of Veronica. She's a fox, this one. Looks like one. Acts like one. I need another drink. He said it would be simple. Find the man in the tuxedo, hand him the bag, and whatever you do, don't let her see you. Where the hell is this guy? I tell the bartender tonight's the night for 2 drinks, and he says, absolutely, you got it, buddy. I ain't his buddy, but I'll take the drinks anyway. Ask a few people if they've seen this guy in a tuxedo. Everybody plays dumb. Nobody knows nothing. What else is new? I sat next to this one. Asked her what she thought of the painting. She said it reminded her of her childhood. Sometimes I hate people. And what do we have here? Let's see what this guy's got in him. You're afraid of tired nothing like me is gonna take your girl for a walk. The kid had a nice right. She said, it's all right, Henry. She helped me up. Told me she was on to me from the moment I walked in. I just want her to keep talking. Her voice is smoky and deep. And right away, I know I'll do whatever she tells me to do.